Today, we're diving into a topic that's a favorite amongst hunters and conservationists alike: how to plant soybeans for deer. This guide is designed to help you attract and nourish deer on your property, making it an intriguing project for wildlife enthusiasts. Firstly, let's talk about why soybeans. Soybeans are an excellent source of protein, making them an ideal choice for deer nutrition, especially in the summer and early fall. This high nutrition crop can help support a healthy deer population, encouraging antler growth in bucks, and aiding in the overall health of does and fawns. To begin with, you need to choose the right spot for planting. Soybeans thrive in well-drained soil with a decent amount of sunlight. Test your soil's pH levels. Ideally, you want it to be between 6.0 and 7.0. Adjustments might be necessary to create the perfect environment for your soybeans. The timing of your planting is crucial. You want to plant your soybeans in late spring after the final frost to ensure the beans have enough time to mature before the winter months. This timing also aligns perfectly with the period when deer need the most nutrition to support antler growth and prepare for the upcoming winter. Preparing the soil is the next step. Clear the planting area of all weeds and debris and till your soil to about a depth of 2 to 3 inches. This preparation provides the beans with loose soil for better root development. Incorporating a general-purpose fertilizer based on your soil test recommendations can significantly improve your soybeans' growth and nutritional value for deer. Now, it's time for planting. You can use a seed drill or broadcaster to spread your soybean seeds. Make sure to plant the seeds at the proper depth, generally around 1 to 1.5 inches deep. Adequate spacing is also vital to avoid overcrowding. A planting density of about 50 to 75 pounds of seeds per acre is recommended. After planting, ensure that your soybean crop receives enough water, particularly in the first few weeks. This may mean supplemental watering if Mother Nature doesn't provide. Also, be prepared to manage pests that might see your soybeans as an attractive meal. Lastly, you may want to consider implementing some form of deer management, such as fencing, until the soybeans are well established to ensure deer don't decimate your crop before it has a chance to mature. In conclusion, planting soybeans for deer is a rewarding endeavor that not only supports local wildlife but can also enhance the ecosystem of your property. It's a project that requires patience, care, and a bit of effort, but the results are well worth it, especially when you see a healthy, thriving deer population. Thank you for watching. Remember, successful wildlife management and conservation start with understanding the needs and habits of the animals you're aiming to support. Whether it's through planting soybeans or other habitat management practices, every effort helps in creating a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Happy planting!